Hello friends, welcome to my new code responsive website with Bootstrap 3 tutorial series video. Friends, in this tutorial we will learn how to add a about page to our website. So if I go to the browser, if I go to original site, so you see in our previous tutorial we created this carousel and just below it we created this box having a image and a text around it. So this was all about from the home page. Now in this tutorial we will create the about page. So you see about page contains similar box having an image and a text beside it, and also below there is a say information about our team, say having a three images and the name and the job title of the person. So in this tutorial we will be creating these two boxes, and if I show you the tutorial site, then this about page has only information about the header and the footer. So in between this we will create those two boxes. So let's go to Sublime Text Editor. So here I will open about.html, and just between our navigation and footer we will create the about us page. So for that, first I will be creating a div, and to this div I will be providing a class of container. And so here all this stuff we already discussed in our previous tutorial, but I will be just coding it here. So inside the container I will be creating another div, and to this div I will be providing the class of box which we created in our previous sections. And inside this box I will be creating a row, and inside this row I will be creating a column, a large column having a grid width of 12 columns. So friends, if I show you the site currently, so here you see that inside this box there is a horizontal rule, and then there is a heading, and just below the heading there is another horizontal rule. So we'll first code this three part. So here I will be first providing an HR, and below that HR will give a heading of h2, and as we discussed in previous tutorial we'll give it a class of say intro text, and we'll also give a property of text center, and inside this h2 will first say about, and here we'll create a strong element and we'll provide a text as business casual, and just below the h2 I will again create a HR. So if I save it and show it you on browser, then so here you can see a box comes up with two horizontal rules and a heading. So now just below this we'll create an image, and to this image we'll provide a text beside it. So here just below the large column, now I will create two columns. So to this I will be providing a class of call dash md dash 6, and I will just copy this. So I have created two columns now, and to first we'll provide an image. So the source would be image slash, so here I will be providing this slide 2.jpg, this image. So slide dash 2.jpg, and to this I will be providing a class of say, so first I will make it a responsive image by providing image dash responsive class. Then we'll provide a class as image border, which we discussed in our previous tutorial, and image left. So these two classes we discussed in our previous tutorial. So if I save it and show it to you on browser, so you see image comes up like this, and now we'll provide a text besides it. So into a second column here I will create a paragraph, and to this paragraph I will just provide a lorem ipsum text. So if I save it and show it to you now on browser, then you see the text comes up just beside the image. So this was about the about business casual site. So now we'll create this box having the information for this business casual website team. So here now just below this box I will create another box. So I will just copy this part, this much, and I will just paste it below, and here I will remove this image and also the text because we have the same heading. So only the text I have to change for our heading will be will say R, and will make team. If I save it and show it to you now on the browser, then you can see this heading has come up, and just below this heading we'll create three images. So just below this large column I will create three columns, and so in order to create three columns I have to provide a class as call. Let's say I've given sm4. So this 12 grid columns I will be dividing into three parts, 4 4 4, and I will be giving a class as text center. So first inside this div I will be creating an image, and to this image we'll provide a class of image responsive to make it a responsive image, and we have to provide a source. So currently we don't have any images for the team members, so what we can do is if I go to the browser, then so there is a site by name placehold.it. So what this site contains is like, you can say if you don't have any images, so for development purpose you can provide your own image according to your width and height. So we have to provide this link which contains the width and the height. So whichever width and height you want, you just place it and it will be, so this type of image will be showing to our website. So I'll just copy this. So this is nothing but a placeholder for the image. So here I will be putting it, and say I will be giving the width to it as 750 by 450, and just below the image we'll give a heading of say h3, and we'll give a name as John Smith, and we'll give a small element, and to this we'll give the heading as job title, and we'll just copy this complete column and paste it 2 times below. So if I save it and now show it to you on the browser, so you can see it came some like this, and if I show you the original site, then you can see it is visible like this. So friends, this was all about the about page. Hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. You can also visit my blog. The link is provided in the description. Thanks. Have a nice day.